Today's video is packed with advice on two crucial aspects of life: finding a job and making the most of your free time. If you're seeking employment or looking to enhance your career, this video is for you. We'll guide you through practical strategies and tips to land that dream job. We'll also show you how to optimize your time, making it fulfilling and productive so you can pursue your passions. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take charge of your future and unlock your full potential. Stay tuned and embark on a journey of self-improvement and success. Before we start the video, we thank you for all your support. We appreciate you being here and cheering us on, so please like the video, leave a comment, and share it with others. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and be part of Luxo-Life. You're the reason we do what we do, and we're excited to keep this incredible journey going with you. Let's start with the first step. It's about recognizing that you're not where you want to be and understanding that you have the power to change that. Now it's time to assess your assets. And by assets, we mean everything that you possess, both tangible and intangible, that can contribute to your journey towards achieving your goals. This step is crucial as it allows you to gain a comprehensive understanding of your strengths, weaknesses, skills, and resources at your disposal. Take a moment to reflect on your personal qualities such as determination, creativity, resilience, and adaptability. These traits are like hidden gems, waiting to be polished and utilized to their full potential. Next, delve into your skills and knowledge. Consider your education, work experience, and any specialized abilities you have acquired over time. Perhaps you're a great communicator, problem solver, or proficient in a particular field. These skills can become your tools to carve out a path towards success. Also, assess your social network and support system. Your relationships with friends, family, colleagues, or mentors can provide valuable guidance, advice, and encouragement as you progress. Besides tangible assets, don't overlook your passion, ambition, and dreams. These intangible elements fuel your drive and define your purpose, pushing you to overcome obstacles and keep moving forward. Hard work is the driving force behind countless success stories and the key ingredient to achieving remarkable accomplishments. It entails dedicating yourself wholeheartedly to your goals, investing time, effort, and perseverance in every endeavor. Embracing hard work means understanding that success rarely comes overnight, but is the result of consistent, focused, and disciplined efforts over time. It's a steadfast commitment to improving oneself, always seeking opportunities to grow, learn, and push beyond one's comfort zone. One of the most significant benefits of hard work is the sense of fulfillment and satisfaction that accompanies it. As you put in the hours, sweat, and determination to overcome challenges, you develop a sense of pride in your achievement, no matter how big or small. Hard work fosters resilience, enabling you to bounce back from setbacks, learn from failures, and keep moving forward. Moreover, it cultivates a strong work ethic that not only impacts your professional life but also your personal endeavors, fostering discipline, reliability, and dedication in all aspects of life. Furthermore, hard work opens doors to new opportunities as others recognize your commitment and determination, leading to increased chances of advancement and success. Beyond the tangible rewards, the journey of hard work itself becomes a transformative experience, shaping your character, self-confidence, and honing your skills. The process of striving for excellence helps you unleash talents you may not have known existed. Embracing the value of hard work also encourages a proactive and solution-oriented mindset, as you become adept at overcoming obstacles and finding innovative ways to reach your objectives. In this sense, hard work becomes a vehicle for continuous improvement, propelling you towards greater heights and a sense of self-empowerment that is truly priceless. After recognizing the importance of hard work, the next aspect of personal and professional development is cultivating a diverse skill set. Skill set refers to the combination of abilities, knowledge, and expertise that one can apply in various ways. Acquiring a well-rounded skill set equips you with the tools necessary to navigate the complexities of today's world and opens doors to a plethora of opportunities. First and foremost, identifying your skill set involves understanding your existing proficiencies and areas of expertise. Whether they're technical skills like programming, graphic design, or data analysis, or soft skills such as communication, leadership and problem solving, and adaptability, take inventory of your abilities. Assessing your strengths empowers you to leverage them in your career, enabling you to excel in your current role and take on new challenges with confidence. Moreover, the journey of enhancing your skill set is an ongoing and rewarding process. Adopt a growth mentality and always look for methods to increase your knowledge and develop new abilities. This may involve enrolling in courses, attending workshops, reading books, or even learning from experienced mentors. Remember, every new skill you acquire enhances your value in the job market and opens up the possibility of pursuing diverse career paths. Building a strong network is a powerful asset that can impact both your personal and professional life. It consists of a diverse group of individuals who share common interests, values, or professional goals. It comprises friends, colleagues, mentors, acquaintances who provide support, guidance, and valuable connections. One of the advantages of a robust network is the abundance of opportunities it can bring. By fostering meaningful relationships with people from various backgrounds and industries, you gain access to a wide range of perspectives, insights, and expertise. This opens doors to potential collaborations, partnerships, and career advancements that you may not have encountered otherwise. A strong network also serves as a support system during challenging times. When faced with obstacles or uncertainties, having a group of trusted individuals to turn to for advice, encouragement, or assistance can be immensely valuable. Moreover, your network can introduce you to potential mentors or role models who can offer guidance and inspire you to grow, both personally and professionally. Furthermore, a well-cultivated network can boost your confidence and self-belief. Surrounding yourself with like-minded, ambitious, and positive individuals can instill a sense of motivation and belief in your abilities. As you witness others' success and share your achievements, you create a positive feedback loop that fuels continuous improvement and personal development. Time is a valuable resource that keeps moving forward, and we all have the same 24 hours each day. How we use this time to shape our lives, learning to manage time well, is important because it helps us get things done and achieve our goals. It's about finding a balance between being efficient and taking care of ourselves. When we know what's important to us, we can make choices that lead us in the right direction. We should use our time wisely to pursue our dreams, whether it's in our work, education, or hobbies. But we also need to remember to take breaks and relax to stay refreshed and ready for challenges. Sometimes we might feel overwhelmed by the fast passing of time, which can cause stress and worry. In those moments, it's essential to reflect on our choices and what we want our lives to be about. Time reminds us to cherish the present and value our relationships with others. We should make every moment count and appreciate the people who make our lives better. Time is a constant companion on our journey, and by managing it well, we can create a fulfilling and meaningful life full of memorable moments and accomplishments. Next is to start online. When you start online, you enter a world full of exciting possibilities. The digital space has changed how we live, work, and connect. You'll learn new things, meet people from all over the world, or even start a business. The internet has a wealth of knowledge with countless courses and tutorials available to enhance your skills. You can learn anything from cooking to coding. Social media platforms let you connect with friends, family, and others who share your interests, creating a sense of belonging and community. You can share your thoughts, experience, and creations, finding support and inspiration from people you've never met in person. Moreover, the online world is a fantastic place for entrepreneurs and creative minds. You can set up an online store to showcase and sell your unique products to people worldwide. If you're an artist, photographer, or writer, the internet allows you to share your work with a vast audience and find people who appreciate and admire your talents. Starting online gives you a chance to turn your hobbies into a profession, and with hard work and dedication, your digital endeavors can grow and become successful. The second to last step is all about using the skills you've acquired along the way. Your skills are like tools that help you face challenges and take advantage of opportunities confidently. They can be technical skills like programming, design, or data analysis, or soft skills like communication, leadership, and problem solving. To use your skills effectively, you must understand how they apply to your goals. Identify which skills matter most for what you want to achieve and focus on getting good at them. Keep a positive attitude towards learning. Practice and gain hands-on experience, and don't forget to seek feedback to improve even further. In the final phase of your journey to excellence, becoming an apprentice through unpaid internships and apprenticeships presents a valuable opportunity for practical learning and personal growth. Though these experiences are unpaid, but they offer a chance to gain hands-on knowledge, apply your skills in real situations, and learn from experienced professionals in your chosen field. As an apprentice, you become a sponge, soaking up insights and techniques from mentors who share their experience. They offer guidance and feedback to help you improve your skills and how you approach challenges. This lets you see how the industry works from the inside, giving you a better understanding of its culture and potential challenges. The connections you build during your internship can also lead to exciting career opportunities as mentors and colleagues become valuable references for your abilities. While unpaid internships might not pay right away, the long-term benefits are substantial. The knowledge you gain complements your education, taking your skills to a higher level. Plus, it shows potential employers that you're committed to growing and contributing to the industry. Embrace the role of an apprentice with eagerness to learn, a thirst for knowledge, and willingness to take on challenges. The skills, experiences, and relationships you develop during this time can be stepping stones to a meaningful career. In conclusion, your journey to success involves hard work, learning, and staying focused on your goals. Embrace your passion, learn from failures, and surround yourself with supportive people. Keep improving your skills and don't be afraid to take on unpaid internships or apprenticeships for valuable experience. Embrace the opportunities online and remember that success is not just about achievement, but also about making a positive change for others. Stay true to your values, believe in yourself, and enjoy the adventure of a fulfilling life. And there you have it, Luxo lovers. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it entertaining and enlightening. If you found value in this video, please like, post your thoughts in the comments, and spread the love by sharing this video with others. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to Luxo-Life to stay connected with us. We appreciate every one of you for being part of the Luxo-Life community, and we're excited to bring more content. Until then, take care and keep embracing the journey to a fulfilling and extraordinary life.